Good evening. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures, getting ready for this winter. You know, a lot of small critters come into your house, your equipment sometimes, and I just thought of a neat way to save those recyclable water bottles that we got laying around all the time and kind of protect some of the cats, dogs, but they're not supposed to mess with it anyway, but something might happen. So I decided to make my own bait boxes for these little mice, field mice that might come from the garden, around the house, and just from anywhere, because everything is getting colder outside, so we got to get prepared for the winter. And I came up with this idea to make a bait trap for the mice and stuff around my vehicles, because you can see in the background here I got my food trailer, and over here I got my camper on the end, and all these things might attract that little critter that we don't want. So I got something for them this time. I got an apple flavor. It's an apple flavor bait block. And what I did was I took a regular water bottle and I cut the ends off. And you can see that bait in there, right there on the side. That's the bait block. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it down in the creases around my trailer. I got a block of wood that I nailed some to, and it worked pretty good. So I'm just gonna give you a quick demonstration right quick on what I'm doing here and how I did it. So I think y'all can see it. See it right there. Get this old camera set up. Yep, so always wear your gloves, because this stuff is poisonous, so you want to wear your gloves. Put them on. And what I did was I took a knife. Make sure I can see everything. Take that knife, just poke it, cut that end off, and wring it out. You got your hole there. Get the bottom, poke a hole, and that's what you got. The top's gone, the bottom's gone. You take that bait and you just set it in there. And what you want to do is, what I did, I don't have a block of wood right now, but kind of what I did was, here, let me show you right quick. Hang on. All right, I'm back. This is what I did. I took a block of wood, and there's the bottle. Got the bait inside. Put a nail there. This is one of those combat boxes that they put the bait in that you can buy at the store, Walmart. And I just set it all on a block. Take my gloves back off. I just set it on a block, and you can see it right there. I got nails, a piece of wire to secure it. The mounts will come in on either side here to get that block, and inside of there I got a block of that apple bait. Put a couple nails in it to secure it so it won't go nowhere, and then I just slide this whole block under my my RV over there, camper, and just hope that they get hungry and want to see it and eat it. And that's what I did. So there you have it on Don Outdoor Adventures, how to get ready for this winter, these colder months where the mice will come out. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Get out there and protect your equipment. All right.